Okay, it is 10:01 a.m. and there hasn't been anything that I've traded. It just doesn't really seem like there's a lot of nice setups right now, but just to go over this one right here with GTCH, it did offer, in theory, a morning panic bounce play, but I didn't trade it because it was only up one day the other day massively. It wasn't like something that was up over a longer period of time. And it was looking clean, but when it just had this pop towards VWAP, that kind of threw me off. And I thought, yeah, I'm definitely not going to trade it. It has continued a downtrend, and that's really it for that one. This one was interesting in that it was looking like it was trying to build itself up and maybe break this 7 cent level and maybe do a continuation, but it was not able to do that. And nothing really of interest with NWBO. I'll keep watching it, and SYXX was fine. I was looking at this move right here where it was going to break ideally the 65 range after it just had a dip under VWAP and it's building itself up. But like SYXX does, it just has a big shoot towards the sky and it just sold off. So it hasn't really been anything nice since. But maybe this can be like, I don't know, maybe like a symmetrical triangle and do a breakout or maybe even a breakdown. And the only other setup I was looking at was HMBL because it was trying to maybe, if you look at a daily chart, it's pretty bad, but maybe over a longer period of time it can try to break this 10 cent level. And it had a blip before and it wasn't too bad, but I was watching it here and it was building itself up. You can see the lows here were starting to consolidate and then move higher. So it was starting to be a little more bullish, but it did sell off, and that's really been about it. So I haven't really found anything that I would consider trading, and I'm not very comfortable trading something that was up massively just one day because it can sell off. You might even say this could be like a dip under VWAP setup, but the level 2 doesn't look too nice. And it was only up one day. It could easily just sell off and just be a one-day spike. That's really all I have for right now, but I will keep looking for setups. Okay, it is 11:25 p.m. and I'm here to call it off. Overall, I didn't make or lose anything. There were no real setups I liked. GTCH kind of did a morning panic bounce play, but again, I didn't like the move here, and I guess it did turn around here, but it's just so sketchy trying to trade something that was just up one day massively, and PACB actually did a better job holding itself. I had no interest in trading it because it just didn't have the volume, but maybe it can try to continue the run for just more than one day and maybe be something that I might trade in the future. SYXX, it looks like it decided to sell off a bit later in the day. No real clear setups at that point, and with NWBO, that was really about it. It's just maybe that break above VWAP, but there just haven't been any good setups today, so I didn't trade anything for that reason. And I think that is totally fine. Just to check up HMBL, yeah, it never did break. Well, I guess I did break this level, but I never got to a penny, which was a goal. That's Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Just no setups, and I think I will be able to trade tomorrow. Otherwise, I think I did a pretty good job. There just wasn't any really nice setups.